What is up, fam?
What
Look,
is up?
Abel's here, I'm here, and guess what? Today is June 15th.
Very special day.
It's a very special day. We don't need masks anymore, even though I'm wearing it because force of habit.
I still have mine too.
Yeah. So June 15th, California completely lifted all regulations of masks, of capacity, of everything. So literally everyone's gonna be glued to each other. You know there was a game today, a Dodgers game? 50,000 people?
Really?
Shoulder to shoulder.
Nice.
Yeah. Isn't that crazy? But we're not at the game. We're in Manhattan Beach. And we're gonna train. So, boop. I've been having a lot of dilemmas with shoes lately. My shoes. These pink shoes I've had for like 2 years now. I know it's time to change it, but like my Adidas shoes, like they've been giving me a lot of trouble. Since I'm going to Greece, I think it's time for new Ultra Range shoes. Yeah? What color should I get?
What color?
What color, yeah. I did black.
What colors are available?
I did pink. Oh, everything. What do you think burgundy?
I've seen burgundy. That looks nice.
Burgundy's
actually.
nice, right?
Yeah, burgundy is nice.
Like, I think it's time for like new shoes. Out of all those shoes that I've had, Vans Ultra Range is like the best. Okay, here is a jump I'm going to attempt.
Good game.
Woo! It's scary. Ooh, that was, I didn't hear anything. I heard nothing. Maybe I should get those shoes.
Shoes are nice. I like the white ones better.
Impact wise, like it literally focuses on, because it's not really padded.
It'll improve your technique.
Yeah, that's what it is. I want this bench gone. Wow! Why is that so scary?
Yeah.
Easy money. This tree like really grew super quick. One time, and I kind of want to do it again, I basically ran precision this part here. It's a fat jump. Yay. I'll go there.
I think I'm gonna start my line just chilling.
Yeah.
And go here. That'd be so cool.
If you can make that last part.
Oh, nice.
Oh yeah. I want to try to at least submit for Tempest Comps, see what happens, but I want to do a fun line. I think last time I took off at that little tiny cylinder and preed over here. But then after that I went down for the side flip. That was my line before. But I want to do this again, but this time try to pre to the chess table. But then what? Maybe I'll reverse down and then get up for a running pre. I think this is 10 of my steps. 10 is like my absolute max.
Woo!
Oh yeah.
How'd that feel?
Like I could do it. This kid has an idea.
We have an idea.
What's your idea?
My idea is we play a game of add-on.
That's a fun game.
It's a very fun game. I'll explain it very quickly. So the game of add-on is very simple. You can play with 2 players, 3 players, as many players as you want. One person will set a trick. The person after that has to add a new trick to the line until you get just a really long chain of movements that look really cool together.
Yes.
You up for it?
Yes. I'm up for it.
We are up for it.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Let's do
okay.
it. You want me to start?
Yep.
I think a good starting place is over here. Starting here. Default.
Default. Oh.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I like that.
Maybe?
Reverse thing. So you scoot on top of the ledge. Yeah. And Sarah wants to like do one. Yeah, okay.
This is getting saucy, man.
Getting saucy real quick. What do you like? Hands and then come out this way. So here.
Yeah.
And there. I got Sarah's camera. Wanna come out?
Maybe it's too far.
Run, like, boom. She's gonna go for the full thing. Looks like she's adding a dive Kong at the very end. Yes, 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 yes. Oh! Yeah, there you go. Yep. Yeah.
Whatever.
It's Sarah's turn to start.
Me.
Begin the line.
We're gonna start over there. And all we're doing is just a simple what? Okay. Wrong leg.
Yeah. Add her second part. Nice. Very good. All right.
I was thinking over here, like little tiny tack,
This one?
or to the bench. Okay.
Yeah, it's not too big. You look like John Travolta. He's like... Alright, you good. Yes, fresh. Go. Nice.
Yay!
Yes. You can go to the side.
What?
There you go.
In a butt.
The butt slide.
The butt bomb. Look at this. Look at his wing. He's
So
limping
good.
too. We went from over there to over here, and oh my god, that cone. You think I was gonna stop us? No. By now we take advantage of the dry. You know?
Yeah.
Abel's gonna do it. Abel's gonna do it.
Sarah found me this lovely standing free.
I got you, man.
It's a good way to test my abilities. So.
I got your back. Oh,
Oh, so close.
oh. Yeah, look at that.
take it.
That's a fat jump, sir. It's a fatty.
Man, she's getting creative. I like that.
So, I think we talked about this, but this used to be full of water. Now it has mega grip on it, which we're really excited about. There's infinite. Ooh, I saw that. I mean,
Delete that.
So I think I got a flow line here. There's a part here, scoop precision, that I really want to get really nice and je ne sais
It's gonna
quoi,
look cool when you do it.
je ne sais quoi, you know?
Je ne sais quoi.
And then after that we make the helicopter and then we hung out, you know? So there we go. We're going to start filming now. Okay, I attempted 1,000,000 because I want it to be perfect. Always this guy coming through to filming me 100,000 billion times. But I know I got a couple good ones. I'm out of breath. But anyways, all right guys, like, subscribe, share. You guys know what to do. Also go follow this guy. He's the best. He's amazing. And we will see you next vlog.
Next vlog.
Next vlog. Keep it real.
Bye.